Hello, everybody. This is Smart Smith Agiri for COM 217 Summer Persuasive Presentation. And today I'm going to be talking about supporting Purdue STEM outreach through volunteering. Imagine a high school junior who's fascinated by the work of Stephen Hawking, but who's never given a chance in the real world to construct a robot, run a complex experiment, or just be able to appreciate applied mathematics. As a Purdue CS and finance student who has volunteered to teach math, I have personally witnessed the real world good that outreach can do. Purdue STEM outreach volunteering benefits the high school students directly, but also the volunteers' soft skills. Now, high school students lack practical STEM exposure, and Purdue STEM outreach provides real opportunities and benefits both the students and the volunteers. For example, according to the President's Council of Advisors in Science and Technology in 2012, the US must produce 1 million more STEM graduates to meet the workforce needs. So long ago, we realized that the importance of STEM outreach, and even now, it has not been completed. So, this is why it is so important. Now, let's begin by examining the problem itself. High school students have a lack of practical STEM exposure. Now, what does this mean? Limited access to STEM opportunities and mentors means that interests that began with cool topics in elementary school dwindles by the time they reach high school. Statistics illustrate the lack of structured STEM outreach programs in many schools. Specifically, the U.S. Census Bureau at AmeriCorps in 2023 reported that only about 28% of adults volunteered formally, showing that people who volunteer do so in non structured formats most of the time. Additionally, STEM participation rates remain low nationwide. According to the NSF, participation in STEM programs remains far below the demand for more STEM graduates and participants. Additionally, there is a lack of STEM appeal to many students because of its perceived nature as being too abstract or disinteresting, and that misconceptions about STEM careers discourage engagement. For example, online topics like AI replacing all STEM graduates discourages high schoolers from pursuing STEM as they see that a career in that field could likely be replaced. Now, here's where Purdue STEM Outreach offers a solution. Purdue STEM Outreach offers real opportunities for the college mentors and the high school students, and doing this creates greater STEM engagement. One, success stories show that mentorship from college students increases STEM confidence and inspiration in high school students. For example, Court Purdue StatCom P12 outreach program, which is the outreach program for statistics department, connecting real-world mentors with high school students has bridged classroom learning with real-world applications. Additionally, statistics show STEM program retention with the involvement of mentors is higher than without these college mentors. Moreover, college student mentors build soft skills in leadership and grow their resumes. The Purdue Student Engineering Foundation notes that outreach volunteers gain leadership, project management, and communication skills while inspiring younger students. And this volunteering builds resume content and high school faculty connections that will help these college students succeed in a professional environment and obtain jobs in a cool labor market. Now, considering these benefits, I would like to conclude with the action that we must take. So, again, high school students lack practical STEM exposure, and Purdue STEM outreach provides a useful opportunities for both them and the volunteers. Now, just eight, this 8 hours per semester will make this difference. It will inspire the future scientists and engineers of America who sit in our high schools at this very moment. Join Purdue STEM Outreach to make this future possible and simultaneously strengthen your own soft skills. Thank you so much. And these are my references. Hope you would love joining Purdue STEM Outreach again. Thank you.